The function k of x is shown in the table below. Determine wherever k of x is linear or exponential. We have given values of x in the first row, and in the second we have value of our function for the given x. So what we have here? We see that for -2 value is 1/9, for -1 is 1/3, for 0 is 1. We don't have here constant rate. The values grow. We have 1/9, 1/3, 1, 3, 9, 27. We don't have constant number by which our values grow. So this is not linear function. This is exponential function. Because graph didn't grow at a constant rate. And what else? If you change value k of x, for example 1/9, we can rewrite that this is 1/3 to second power. And to change this 1/3 to 3, we can write that this is 3 to -2 power. 1/3 we can rewrite that this is 3 to -1st power. 1, this is 3 to 0 power. 3, we can write that this is 3 to 1st power. 9 is 3 to 2nd power. 27 is 3 to 3rd power. We see that the base is 3. Exponents change. We have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have here exponential function k of x, and this is 3 to power x, where x can be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So this is exponential function.